Say we are march, march. Who you voting for? Sorry. Hi everybody. You know, it's your first lady, Shelly Expressions, and I am here to tell you about the party. You know, the Big People Sunday party right at Willie's, and this Sunday we are celebrating none other than Auntie Maureen, Hittis, and of course, you know, the troublemaker, Sister Nicey. This Sunday at Willie's Thatch Roof, we're having a birthday celebration. Come and drink, listen to some good music, and par with your favorite bartender character. I'm on the third? No, and I'm on the third. Me get it mixed up. I went on the third. A Wednesday. Oh, a whisper just come in and say a Wednesday. People, who you voting for this Wednesday? Or the green? Shh. I'm gonna about my business. Uno come tell me this Sunday. Uno voting for Kawi Yama. Whoa, Yama. Whoa, Yama.
So yes, go on. You can go for him personally.
Yeah, brother. Never bigger and serious.
So what go on?
Him just give him a tough talk still and rough him up. And I make him know say if I never be king man, he will get him head bust.
Brother, man should have link him for a long time, bad man.
That me I tell him to, but him good still.
Glad for you saying good still, is it? But watch your style I know, bro. Me I come serve clients one of them day, I hear that.
So I go on with Sher. You know hear back from her?
Bad man, more until you say right now, share not even answer her phone in a brother, and you cause that in a bad man. Brother, me not like them style there, brother.
So brother, she don't know say I joke me around.
Brother, what joke is death to me in a bad man. Come like a killer try kill off man in a bad man. How you say I do it, maker? Right now, all my pressure good high, brother. Blood vessel out to bust me, dog.
Acha. Yeah, what? When you reach over to me and you will talk.
Brother, yo, alright, do it all, but.
Vicious. One Vish. Hold on. Numbers, man. I walk forward now. I go on, Jenna. Pass me a pass and fast, you know.
I walk. Where are you?
I go on, Jenna.
There, man. You know, say I label me there, so I go and label some lemongrass water. Yeah.
Go and do your work, man.
Whoa. Why, numbers, a long time I didn't even see you around them parts. So what go on?
There, man. Like me say, me just a pass and fast, you know. The reason why I'm not too round that side are too tough. I get back a bartender.
Okay.
And the bar I run properly, you know.
Yeah, up and running.
Yeah, man, and you don't know, say the weed shop. From morning, I eat at the breadwinner, you know.
Yeah, man.
So me there deal with that, you know.
Yeah, man, I right, pretty man.
So how go on with you, Jenna? Everything good?
Why, I want to tell you, say everything active still, you know.
Active.
Yeah, man, fully active, man.
Can't say that, man.
Stay
People are
on,
running
right.
on the natural juice.
May I tell you, thing I go on good meal, there, man.
Yes, I'm soon have that. What this now? Lemongrass. They supposed to bad to ras.
Ah, whoa?
You know,
Yeah,
I want
man.
to try it.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
I want
You
to try
don't know
one of
anything
them,
come
man.
down.
Keep on the
Jamaican
bill,
term.
man.
Fever grass. Maddest thing on the road, I know, man. Flavored water.
Brother, I have to take about 3 of them back there for your
Ah,
car.
whoa.
But they're on a different little journey, you know, and I do some fasting, you know,
Yeah.
and cleanse back the spirit, you know what I mean? So,
Yeah, man.
more while I just water me depend for the whole day, you know?
Yeah, man.
And this proper, man, I never know say I saw this bad.
Yeah, man, fully effective, man.
Mm.
Healthy living, man. Remember, say health is wealth, you know.
Which is right. So you journey them. I'm good.
Butcher. No, say for the one time I do this, you I get dash for you already. You know, I'm gonna link me next day. I'll tell Mary about it.
Yeah, man, man, tell you say they ain't good, you know.
So I'll go on with Butcher.
Why?
You say him get caught up, brother.
Why, I tell you say. I not normal go on later there, but him a come on you know still. Him a go on doing thing. Me left them over there, you know.
But me I hear say man that deep premiums cause it's like him get a link with some outer man and a rank in a premium wicked.
Jaja. And tell you say that I go on for real, but when him should have just tell him should have link with ranking from day one, you see me? It never make no link, man. I just that a problem, you see it.
So vicious, so you never chat to him. As
Talk
one
to him.
general to a next.
Talk to him still, but I play hard and like a some secret thing him a deal with, you know. And he know say place run under government, so he never should have moved them way there, you know.
So you know own their link with.
And the next thing too, we not even know who him did a link with, you know. You can only see him movements in body language and saying did a link with some different set of man, you know.